What's going on, YouTube? You know what it is. It's your favorite artist, and life's biggest artist. It's your boy Quadeuce. And we back with another video. You know what I'm saying? And in this video, I want to talk about something. I don't know if I previously talked about it or not. I can't really remember. But I want to talk about time. Now, I know if you probably follow my channel, you probably follow other channels, and you probably heard things said like time is not real before. And I think I did do a video on how time is not real. Basically, how we perceive time changes. Because what is time? Scientists don't really know what it is. Do you know that a watch doesn't track or measure time at all? Because what the fuck is time? What a watch does is it tracks the distance of the isolation or around the crystal. So basically it circles around the crystal and a certain amount of what you will perceive as time in a certain amount, and that's how we come up with time, the distance that it measures, how fast it measures that distance based on how much of the present moment has passed. Did you hear what I just said? A watch does not measure time. It's tracking the isolation and the movement around the crystal, or the way the present moment, how many present moments is currently passing. So if you think about what time is a past measurement. Time is in the past, because right now there's no time. But I just said that 30 seconds ago, approximately. So now that's some time. But see, it's a past measurement. So you believe in time, you living in the past, don't even know it. I live in the future, because I'm an Aquarius, of course. But nah, listen, we live in the present moment. See how I said that before? Yeah, y'all get it. Time is a past measurement of how many consecutive present moments happen around something traveling in a linear at a linear speed, basically. So however many, my bad, y'all, I got an ant in my shoe real quick. Couple of ants in my shoe, actually. Y'all know the big black ants too, man. I don't be playing. I ain't trying to get bit by a big black ant today. But basically, time is a past measurement, right? And by believing in time, it's kind of like a spell too, because you believing in something that's not even in existence any longer. As you have dotted that time, it doesn't exist anymore. Starting from the millisecond you dotted, like a millisecond after that, that's not the same time. It's gone. It's a way of trying to track energy cycles. But a cycle is something that happened in the past, is it not? If you repeating the cycle, you repeating the what? Okay then. So at the same time, while you tracking time and you using time, you repeating a lot of the same shit that you did yesterday, today. Have you ever thought about that? You tracking time and you doing the same shit every day. So what's the point of you even tracking it? You ain't doing nothing different. I can see you doing something different. You doing the same shit every day. And those big corporations and those elite people and entities and beings make that all happen. They make sure you're doing the same shit every day. Hustling for money. That's all we all down here doing. Hustling for money. Whether it's to support our family, flex on each other, whatever. Right? It's all the same shit. Right? They make sure that you and I are doing the same goddamn thing every day. But we is out here tracking time. Now, I think it got something to do with stop tracking time. Get lost in your passions. Get lost in your love. Get lost in your relationships. Get lost in your abundance. Get lost in your peace. Stop fucking tracking time. Why would you want to track it? I don't want to track it. I get lost in experiences every day. See what I'm saying? I almost forget what age I am, literally. And that's a good thing to me, because I feel just as young as I've always felt. And that's how I'm trying to keep it. You hear me? But yeah, that's the actual science on time. So really, nobody really knows what a time is. Like, it really doesn't exist. It can't exist and be captured and be held and be like, this what it is. No, it's gone. New energy. And that's all you need to really know. You feel me? Stay in the present moment. Get lost in all of those beautiful things in life it is to get lost in, as I just mentioned before. You know what I'm saying? And have no time for the bullshit. You hear me? Including the bullshit they try to teach us that ain't true. You understand me? They want you tracking time so you can track your job, so you can track your money, so you can track your spending, so you can track your earnings, so you can track your life, so you can, you feel me? It's just a bunch of tracking shit going on. Big dudes don't fuck with it, you hear me? Ain't no tracking. Ain't that much tracking in the world, bro. Ain't no need for all that shit. That's why I encourage people to create as much as possible. Because when you become a creator of your own abundance in whatever way, you start taking power back. You ever notice time moves shorter or faster depending on what situation you in, or slower? Have you ever noticed that when you want time to go by really fast, it goes by really motherfucking slow? And have you ever noticed that when you want time to go by really slow, god damn it, You can't hit the snooze button enough. God damn it. It was 30 minutes into finishing that movie. God damn it. It's blunt. It should just last forever. But unfortunately, it's got an ending point. What do you notice about all of those things? It's how my brain is perceiving it at the moment. And that's what time is. So there you got it, man. A new understanding on time from your boy Big Deuce. Let's keep grinding it out. Let's keep going. You hear me? To the next video. I'm out of here.